2, 3. I became a princess when I was getting married with a son by princess. I'm prince. That's 9. 9. I became a princess on October 12th. And my name is Isabella, of course, and I am from Florida, and how I got to become a princess is my queen crowned me, and I got to marry a prince. Now both of us.
Okay, go together. Are you sisters?
We are sisters. Now let's dance.